We're getting the party started here in Aiken, South Carolina. Here at Car Cave, we have this beautiful 1998 Honda Civic VTEC 1.6 liter B16A2. It's paint Cayenne. So had a full respray, all around really good shape. We have some history on it. Did some maintenance. And this model, the left-hand drive is really hard to find in the EK4 hatchback with the VTEC motor. So there's a lot of right-hand drives, not a lot, but there's some floating around. Love the hatchback. Like these cars enough that I sold my mother one. She only has a dually for a horse trailer and needed something else to drive. I said, you know, they're fun, they're easy to maintain, they're quick, they're good little cars. We can keep it on the road for you for a really long time. Low maintenance costs, you can zip around, good fuel economy, Honda reliability. So if that makes you feel better if you're shopping for one of these, I sold one to my own mother. Which probably that's not saying much if you're talking to used car salesman, but she still likes me. But this car anyway, we didn't do much. I think we did rear struts. It's pretty original and stock, so we didn't try and change suspension. You still have stock wheels, stock size tires. I don't think there's any aftermarket modifications to speak of. When we look around, we did front brakes, rotors, did oil paint. You have the original interior. It's all in good shape. There's a little wear on the door over there where your arm would sit. Your seats will slide forward good. Headliner's in good shape. You got the moonroof. Oh, now the dome light doesn't work for me. Guess we need to put a bulb in it. We've had a couple of these. Great cars. This one I haven't had a chance to regularly drive. We'll get the dome light. And then looks like the tire was out and actually put some padding in there, whoever had it out around our shop. But everything's clean, came from a dry climate. So repaint's good work. You know, it's not perfect, but it shows really well. I mean, it's not a $25,000 paint job. It is clean, it's good work. When they did it, put new headlights in it. You have a rear wiper, rear defrost. See the rear seat here. I guess I didn't try it folding down, but I know it does fold down. A little wear where somebody was resting their arm from driving. Maybe had lotion on their arm. Let's fire it up. We'll go under the engine bay. Then we'll shut everything to walk around. It's a Honda starter sound. No lights on. It idles good. There's your defroster. AC works. You hear it kick on. I had the glove box open to show you. I didn't notice the handle there. We'll get one of those ordered. It does have airbags. You have a moonroof. It's fully functional. I got those manuals up there. I'll knock them off. It works. Let's see. Window. Actually worked really well. Good movement on them. cigarette lighter. It's clean. I put a picture of that. Everything moves freely. It's working up to defrost. Flashers work. Lights on the dash work. I said I don't have dome lights, which I swore was. We just need to put some bulbs in it, I guess. So we'll get to there. Visors are in good shape. I said headliner's in good shape. Shifts through everything well. Let you get out of the car. I'm not gonna rev it when it's cold. You can hear it runs smooth when we did the oil pan. Gave it an oil change. Looks like a new Bosch battery. See body tag there. Might be a little dark to see. Code. I'll get some light on it. But yeah, runs smooth. Solid car. Get shut off. Apparently solid car without dome lights, which we'll get. And let's see, what else do we want to look at? I said airbags, moonroof, horn, you have a tilt wheel. So tilt wheel is functional. Backlight. Lights and the blinkers work. I tested the power locks earlier, so power locks are working. Do it again. You can hear it over there. Oh, and the records here. So original manuals, they're getting a little age to them. See, it was originally a Greek delivered car. You got some technicals there from the past. It's the original glass. And my Greek is terrible, but someone was documenting some of the car in there. You can see it was originally sold May 5th, May 22nd, 1998. It is storming here outside today. And the paint was faded. That's the only reason for the repaint. It wasn't anything in particular. You know, hadn't been wrecked. And the clear was just getting old. So we decided to give it a repaint. Give a good walk around here. So you can see the hood. Lower air dam. We try to get good photos too, so you can definitely look through the photos if you want a still frame. Undercarriage presents really well. Overall, no areas of concern. Just a great quality Honda, straight body. I have some pictures of it before paint. Like I said, it was mainly, the paint was just getting faded, but that's always good to have too, because you want to know why someone was repainting. I don't see any chips in the windshield. It looks clean coming all the way across. See Honda glass right here. Honda. And someone etched all the glass. That was normal in that era. So I believe the glass to all be original, besides it's had a windshield. Yeah, that's a lamb safety, so it's aftermarket. But yeah, carcaveusa.com. Call us 803-262-4742. You'll get Jennifer, myself, Chris. We're in Aiken, South Carolina. Car has South Carolina title, clean and clear. It's in our name. We don't do any sort of consignment, so it's our car. Let us know if you have any questions. If you need more details, give us a call.